All right, rig submission ×2. As a smart man and early adopter of false eyelashes once said, "Welcome to my nightmare." No, actually under the brilliant tutelage of Mason Marangella, both watching videos and getting some personal consulting, this all makes sense. So I apologize in advance for the lack of dress on the power lines. I just got that set up and I'll be doing that next, but wanted to get this up and running. So we go from, we got a PRS Silver Sky, we got a nice Epiphone Dot, that's got Joe Bonamassa pickups in it. By the way, those are absolutely incredible. That middle position, the Joe Bonamassa pickups on that ES335 is freaking awesome. Got a Duesenberg, got a Jason Isbell Telly, got a Martin acoustic, got a Fender. We got a lot of this machine kills fascists. That's my original Taylor that I got about 30 years ago. Love it, 410. All right, let's get in the signal path. So guitar comes in. Oh, by the way, both of these are running on Strymon Zuma power banks. Come in to the Sovtek EH Deluxe Big Muff, to the Polytune 2, to the Keeley compressor, to the J Rocket Archer Icon, to the Timmy, to the Keeley Katana Clean Boost, or Katana. I don't know. I don't want to get hacked up in comments. Katana, potato. The Line 6 HX1, which can do just about anything, any effect you want. Into the Ruby, the UA Ruby. Sometimes put the Strymon Iridium in there. Depends on how I'm feeling. The buffer, the JHS buffer. Yeah, all the rules of tone, Mason. So we go to the, then we go to the Walrus Audio Canvas DI and out to front of house. Fun fact, my name is Timmy and my daughter's name is Ruby. So we're keeping it all in the family on this board. All right, over to the acoustic board. As I mentioned, this one's dressed a little better, so we'll take a look. We got the Strymon Zuma back there. It's dressed a little nicer. And let's see, signal path over here from an acoustic into the Peterson Strobo Stomp HD. Amazing tuner, by the way. You can sweeten it. You can do the James Taylor sweeten tuning. I tune all my guitars to the James Taylor tuning now. To the Boss Octave OC5. Skip over to the LR Baggs. Sorry about the glare. The LR Baggs Session. Up to the LR Baggs Chorus. To the Fishman AFX Echo Back Delay. To the Strymon Cloudburst. Got to have the Strymon Cloudburst on your acoustic rig. It's amazing. It sounds like you're playing with the Boston Symphony Orchestra. From there, we come down to the TC Ditto Plus, and then up to the LR Baggs Voice Print DI, and out to front of house. I think this is Pickle Rick approved. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts. All right, this is Timmy over and out. Good luck, boys. Have fun out there.